Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create a digital vision board in Notion for 2025. Step 1. Let's choose our template. Click on the New Page button in Notion, then select the Board option. This gives us a flexible, easy-to-customize layout perfect for a vision board. The reason we do this is because the board layout allows us to visually categorize and prioritize our goals. Now that we've done that, let's move on to Step 2, creating our categories. Click the Add a Group button and start creating categories for your goals. For example, you might have categories like personal growth, career, and health. This helps us because it allows us to organize our goals and makes our vision board more effective. Next up, Step 3, adding our goals. Click on the Add an Item button in each category and start adding your goals as cards. For example, in health, you might have a goal like run a marathon. You can also add more details to each card, like steps to achieve the goal or images that inspire you. This is crucial because it makes our vision board more concrete and motivates us to take action. For Step 4, let's customize our vision board. Notion allows you to add cover images, change colors, and more. Don't be afraid to get creative here. This step adds a personal touch and makes our vision board more visually appealing. And finally, Step 5, review and update regularly. Make sure to revisit your vision board regularly and update it as your goals evolve. This is absolutely vital as it keeps our vision board relevant and helps maintain our motivation. Let me explain why this matters. A vision board is a powerful tool that can help you clarify, concentrate, and maintain focus on specific life goals. And creating a digital one in Notion allows you to easily update and change it as your vision evolves. And there we have it, an engaging and motivating digital vision board in Notion. Remember to keep it updated and always let it inspire you to achieve your dreams. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.